I'm Britta Gurman. I lead the design team on the new Sealy Posturepedic Exquisite. When it comes to designing a bed that helps you succeed and be at your best throughout the day, you need an exquisite combination of technology, style and comfort. You need each of these elements to not only work in harmony, but come together in a bold and elegant way. Crafted with influences from European furniture design, the new Exquisite expresses deep texture, strong contrast and beautiful color accents.
I'm Dan Green. I lead the technology innovation team on the new Sealy Posturepedic Exquisite. We know from our research that there's several things that can disrupt your ability to get a great night's sleep. Often back pain can be a significant contributor to tossing and turning throughout the night. The right level of support is essential in helping to maintain a comfortable posture while you sleep, so your body doesn't sink into an unnatural position. The Exquisite mattress features a network of coils that work together to provide 3 stages of support. The first stage offers pressure relief, the second senses your weight, and the third stage responds with increasing firmness. In other words, as more weight is applied, the more the system works to support your body's natural posture.
Temperature can also play a role in the quality of your sleep. If you're too hot, you might find it hard not only to get to sleep, but stay asleep. SmartX combined with Health Shield is a unique fabric treatment that helps draw away moisture, boosting evaporation, which in turn helps to cool and regulate your sleep climate, while also maintaining a clean and hygienic surface.
Comfort and pressure relief are essential in helping you to relax, to fall asleep, and to stay asleep for longer. We incorporated a unique layered system in the new product called Sense Comfort. Dual layers of this ultra-sensitive material in the quilt and the centre third of the bed quickly adapt and conform to the shape of your body, helping to absorb muscular tension to ensure the ultimate in relaxation. Testing shows improvements in both conformance and pressure relief. Extra reinforcing around the perimeter of the mattress helps maintain comfort by eliminating that sinking feeling towards the edge of the bed, while also providing consistent support across the entire sleep surface.
After a busy day, nothing feels better than returning to a space where you feel at home. A sanctuary that not only supports your comfort, but reflects your preferred function and style. We offer several options to help personalize your new Exquisite bed, including the Endurance Luxe base in a range of designer fabrics, combined with low-profile Duraflex, a shock-absorbing structure that helps promote longer-lasting comfort. If you prefer to maximize flexibility, you can opt for an adjustable ensemble and with a touch of a button fine-tune your legs, head or both into a position most comfortable for you. Or if extra space is key, we offer a clever space saver base available in several configurations, helping transform your bed into a clutter-free storage system. If you want to wake up ready to take on the day, you need the ultimate in support at night.